Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a healthy and nutritious breakfast recipe. And for this we're taking sprouted green gram, grated coconut and a piece of ginger and adding salt to taste. Now if you prefer it spicy, please go ahead and add green chilies. Now let's grind it to a fine paste. To the ground batter, add 1 tablespoon of semolina and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. And adding some water, bring it to the consistency shown in the video. Once it's mixed well, keep it covered for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, let's add chopped onions and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give it a mix. Now heat a pan on low flame, pour the ladle of batter, spread it evenly on the pan, make a small round. Adding few drops of ghee, cook them on both sides thoroughly. If you like to have it crispy, cook on a low flame for a longer period, sprinkling additional drops of ghee. Once cooked, transfer to a plate. Now for the chutney or the dip, I'm going to add roughly chopped onions along with chopped curry leaves. Saute, add grated coconut and saute them for a minute. Once they are a little cooked, add a piece of ginger cut into 3 pieces and tomatoes. Adding 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil, using coconut oil here. Add dried red chilies if you like it spicy. Since I am doing it for kids, I am not going to put them. Now once cooked, let's grind them to a paste. Now for the seasoning, let's add 2 tablespoons of oil to a small pan. Add mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Then add finely chopped onions. And once they are brown, let's transfer to the ground chutney. Now if your kids do not like mustard or onions, you can totally ignore the step and just add hot oil and serve the chutney as it is. So please do serve this nutritious and healthy meal to your kids. And please let me know in comments. See you soon in another interesting video. Till then, bye-bye.